Thanks for tuning in to Stocks with Antonio. I got some news for you. We got some positive news when the market closed. Today was Monday. Today was the deadline, 8 p.m., where the United States was going to bomb Iran and send them back to the Stone Ages. Well, before 8 p.m., they came to an agreement. The U.S. and Iran have agreed to a 2 weeks ceasefire, right? The market took that really well. And if you look at a lot of the stocks after hours, they've really shut up. So it looks like Tuesday may be a green day. So far, that's how it's looking like. You never know when we could get a tweet or new news that could affect the stock market in a negative way. But right now, it's looking like a green day. And that's why it's important when there's pullbacks and things like that, not to worry so much about timing the market, more about investing in the market, especially long term. When there's pullbacks, those are opportunities. Because if you look at it, since the strong pullbacks, we've been kind of recovering. Even though we're still down, we've been recovering. So just keep that in mind. So if you would have bought when we started to get these pullbacks, right now, you probably will be in profit depending on the stocks that you bought. That's why when I saw the pullback, I started to invest in my favorite assets that I believe are going to continue to go up in price over time because I'm looking to build wealth. And if you want to build wealth, that's what's important. Funding your brokerage account, making sure you're adding money to it, and investing in good companies. And that's what's going to make you build wealth in your portfolio. Now, we do got more important um, information coming out this week that we want to pay attention to because it can affect also the stock market. So we got the FOMC notes coming out Wednesday. We got the jobless claims report coming out Thursday, and we got CPI for March coming out Friday. So stay tuned because that data is going to impact the stock market as well. Now, if you're wondering what I'm going to be doing tomorrow when the market opens, I am going to be looking. I may do a quick scalp trade, might do a call option where I get in and out. But that, if you want to make money in the market in and out within the same day, got to be a skilled trader. If you're not at that level yet, then I would just focus more on investing long term into good companies. Now, the companies that I'm investing in long term, which I've been talking about, Meta under 600, it's a in my opinion a great entry point. If for some reason it continued to go down, I would try to continue to increase my shares. Now I get it. Meta's a stock close to 600 right now. It closed, I believe, at 575, but with the good news, it ran up so far to 596. And that's the thing about Meta. When Meta has bad news, when there's negative news, Meta can go down a lot because Meta was over $700, right? Now it's all the way under 600. But Meta, if you look at its history, it does recover and go to new highs. So it's just like it can go down a lot, it also goes up a lot. So when there's a pullback in Meta, it never hurts to get in because when this thing turns around, it's going to move just like it dropped. It's going to go to the upside. So that's one I would definitely keep pay attention to. Now I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing. Nothing that I say is a suggestion for you buy, hold, or sell, but I'm letting you know what I'm doing with my portfolio, what I'm planning to do tomorrow. Another one to keep close attention to is going to be Applied Digital, APLD. Now I know this one's a popular one, and the data centers. A lot of people are going to be paying attention to this one. Now, if you want to know what I'm going to be doing, in my opinion, which could be wrong, I don't think this earnings call is going to go as well for Applied Digital as their last earnings. Their last earnings, they've been killing it. They've been beating it out of the park. They've been doing home runs, right? And that's always great when you're in a company. That's what you want to see, good earnings calls. But for some reason, I don't think they're going to get a great earnings call this time around. And I think it's going to impact their stock price tomorrow when the market closes and the earnings come out. I think it's going to impact them. So a play that you may look into, no guarantees that you'll make money and there's always risk. But if it does have a negative earnings, you might want to check out APLZ because when APLD goes down, APLZ goes up, right? So right now, APLD closed at 25 with the good news with ceasefire with Iran. It went up after hours. If it pumps tomorrow, because tomorrow's probably going to be a green day unless we get a tweet or some type of news that comes out negative, it should run up tomorrow. But when the market closes, if it gets a bad earnings call, it's probably going to drop. So you could maybe get into APLZ on Thursday. Now, I'm not telling you to do that. I'm just saying that's a play that I'm going to be looking into, where I'm looking to make some short-term money on APLD. I mean, yeah, on APLD. If it has a bad earnings call, I'll get into APLZ. But I'm going to continue to invest in good companies. Another one I believe has potential to the upside is going to be Tesla. Tesla's been getting beaten down. If you were paying attention to it today, it dropped under 340. It's recovered with the good news that we got in after hours. It's all the way above 361. I think this thing can run up to 375, right? So if in the morning, I might do a call option to 370. If I see the market's moving up, and hope to get in and out in the morning on it. Now, again, when it comes to options, it's very risky. So if you do options, you can definitely lose money. Got to know the charts. Got to know what you're doing. Just sharing some plays with you. But I'm going to continue to do what I've been doing. Dollar cost average, long term. If you're new to this, just focus on funding your brokerage account. Focus on adding money to it every month, and focus on buying good assets long term. What I think are good assets is the Mag 7, good ETFs that track the S&P 500, like VOO. Those are stocks that, in my opinion, you want to get into and good entry points and work on building your share count. And if you're doing it for the long term, I believe you're going to build wealth with the Mag 7, a good ETF, and things like that. If you want to stay up to date on the stocks that I'm buying, the plays that I'm thinking of doing, and getting my opinions on the market, make sure you smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Show me some support. Trying to grow the small channel. Also, leave me some comments down below. What do you think is going to happen to the stock market this week? Do you think we're going to start to go higher? Or do you think this is a fake out and we're going to go lower? I love to read your opinions down below. So if you haven't done so, go ahead, leave me some of your opinions down below. Check out that description box. And if you haven't done so, hit that subscribe button for me. And don't forget to hit the notification button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.